Problem 22. A classroom has a row of 35 coat hooks, and Paulina hooks coats up so that there's at least one coat between them, at least one coat and at least one empty hook between each of the coats. How many different numbers of coats can satisfy Paulina's pattern? So what this means is, let's say X equals the number of coats, and then R equals the gap. X plus 1 times R equals 35. As note here, it tells us that before the first hook and after the last coat, before the first coat and after the last coat, there must be an empty gap as well. So if we kind of collect the terms here, we get R plus 1 X plus R equals 35. So since this is not a lot of numbers, we can do this thing where we just list out the complete number of possibilities. For example, X and then R. So let's say X equals to 1, then R would be 17. And if it's 2, it would be 11. If it's 3, it would be 8. If it's 4, notice here if X is 4, that would be 5R plus 4. And 31 minus 4 equals 35 minus 4 equals 31, which is not divisible by 5. So that's not correct. And then 5 is 5. 6 is also not correct. 7 is not correct. And then we look here, it was like, okay, there's a lot of gaps here. So on the X side, on the R side, so we can start using R as our anchor, and we assume like if R is 3, then we get 8. If R is 2, we get 11. If R is 1, we get 17, and then we have all of our answers. So now we count how many there are, and we'll notice eventually that there are 7 solutions to this. So our answer comes down to D, which is 7.